Hello you guys, I just got this media center. I'm gonna put it together, show you guys the installation process and what it looks like afterwards. Alright guys, so here is the media center. I am so happy with how this turned out. As you can see, I decorated it with a few things. My fish tank, this little vase, a humidifier, this little picture of me and my boyfriend, and then I have just a couple things like my headphones, bag, Polaroid, and of course the fireplace is the coolest thing ever. And with the remote you can do so many different things, and you can change the speed of the fire, you can set a timer, you can change the colors of the LED lights. There's so much you can do with this. It's amazing, and the instructions were so clear and simple to put it together. I'm honestly so happy with this media center. As you can see, it's right below my TV as well. Perfect placement for my room, so I'm really happy with how it turned out, you guys. If you're looking for a really cool media center with a fireplace, definitely check this one out.